In 2019, I said gas prices are going to rocket to $9 a gallon. Today, we're seeing CNN and NBC talk about how gas prices are at all-time high in the past 8 years. So when I came and said in 2019, 3 years ago, and I saw what was coming, and I said gas prices are going to be $9, everyone was laughing at me and spitting in my face. And then I also came out and said that one more time in 2019. Guys, that's 3 years ahead of anyone else out there predicting it. I said gas is going to go up. Okay. Then I came back in 2020 and I reiterated the importance of that gas is going to go up and housing the housing market is going to tank, and we saw that. We saw the housing market tank with the bug 19, where we had 7 million homeowners defaulting, and they had to create a new forbearance program for them. And now we're seeing $9 a gallon gas, and I've now also said it from 2019, 2020, 2021, that we are going to see $9 a gallon gas, and we're almost there. There's a lot of places that are charging $5, $6, depends where you are in America. Okay, so didn't want to say I told you so, but I did. Right? I don't know anyone else that was saying that in 2019. Remember 2019, when everything was going great and gravy, people were making money, they're lending super easy, people are buying real estate, etc. And I was saying, hey, we're going to get a market sell-off, and we've seen just in the past weeks major market sell-offs. We also seen a big bump, a year ago, and the plunge protection team came in, took care of it, and now the Fed was buying stocks, lending money at 0%, almost 0% interest rates, and corporation buying their own stocks to eliminate that. But I don't want to say I nailed it, but I'm almost nailing it. As time is going a little bit by, we're seeing prices go up like $9 a gallon. Now there are other people that are going to come out and make predictions. When we're already seeing prices go up to like, hey, it's going to be $10 or something, right? But your boy 3 years ago told you it's going to be $9 in 2019, guys, in summer of 2019, when everything was going great. All right, thanks for watching. Don't take no for an answer. Always remember, you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you ever imagined.